Good morning, friends. This is Umakant, your life coach and mentor. Today, I'm just going to talk about one topic uh, like how and why we are not happy with the material possessions which we are having. Why we are not happy with the relationships which we are having. Why we are not happy with the new things which we purchase every day, thinking that these things will make us happy. A lot of people purchase things, a lot of people bet a lot of things, a lot of people do a lot of hard work in order to get and acquire things in life. If you look at their complete life, what is happening. People are working very hard to achieve their material things. These material things are making a lot of time, pulling a lot of time from their lives. So what is the reason? Like why still, instead of acquiring so much material things, instead of acquiring a new house, instead of acquiring a new mobile phone for themselves, instead of doing so much effort, you see that they are not happy with their acquisitions which they have possessed throughout these years. So what is the reason and why people aren't happy with the things, and even the relationships or a thing like a sacred thing like marriage? I just want to tell you one thing. One of the most important things which I'm going to talk about today is like the capacity of a brain, the behavior of a brain. What is this behavior of the brain which I'm talking about? This behavior of a brain is I'm talking about is called an adaptation. It is called a technical adaptation. So the brain is such an instrument, which gets easily adapted to a new situation as such. Adapted means, it get easily habituated to a new things. For example, I am purchasing a new mobile phone and I'm thinking that, it will give me happiness for a long duration of time. But at the same time, what is happening over a period of using this phone, my mind and my brain is getting attracted towards it and I'm becoming habituated to the new thing easily. So over a period of time, like if, for example, I purchase the iPhone X, and after the usage of 6 months or 7 months or 8 months, I do not feel the same joy of having this iPhone X. But on the day one, if you look at my behavior, my happiness, and my joyful nature, you'll see that I'm very much, absorbed in this. So why this is happening? This is called a technical adaptation. Mind is being technically adapted to things, and again it is looking at some other source or reference points. So just want to tell why it is happening like that. What is this technical adaptation all about? This technical adaptation is that we get used to things very easily. If you look at marriages, this I am talking about a material possession. Like for example, I'm going to purchase a new car like a Volkswagen Vento, or I'm purchasing a car like Mercedes Benz. I'm purchasing a car like BMW. What is happening? Why it is not going to give me happiness is that my mind is getting adapted to it, and over a period of time, it is happening so like I am not able to see the things at all. See, this is acquiring a material thing is a development in itself. For example, a Mercedes-Benz car is like a development in itself. And I have been toiling it for many days in order to acquire this Mercedes-Benz car. But over a continuous usage of this car, what is happening is that my mind is completely engulfing this object, and the recognition of this object is not happening as such. For example, you may ask, how it is happening. I just wanted to tell you another example with the body also. See, for example, I'm having an irritation in my eyes. My eyes is now currently irritated a lot, and I'm getting tears in my eyes. This is a painful situation which I'm undergoing. So now, after some time, I apply some medicines, I put some drops in my eyes, and after that, I get relieved from this pain. Okay, this is a state of health. Now I'm able to see properly. I'm able to see this world very clearly now with my vision. But I'm not able to realize, I am not able to appreciate the moment when I'm able to see this world properly. But I'm very much concerned about the same body when it is not in a good condition. So this appreciating nature of mind is like, this appreciation which you must possess is one of the things which you can overcome this adaptation process. This technical adaptation which mind is undergoing. For example, in a relationship, for example, you take a thing is that, like marriage, you're newly married to a woman and you entered into a very nice relationship with her. What is happening exactly? On the day one of marriage, you are very much excited, very much, you are, and very much getting attracted to your wife and all. But at the same time, after you cross 3 years of your marriage, what is happening is that you're not able to enjoy the relationship with the same woman. Because what has happened is that technically your mind has adapted her, and now you are not able to enjoy her company. And also a stage will reach when you do not recognize her presence also. A stage has reached when you do not recognize the presence of people around you, like your mother, your daughter, your son. What has happened is that your mind has already engulfed these people. They do not, your mind does not recognize their presence. Their mind does not accept these people. Their mind does not appreciate their presence. So what has happened? Though you are surrounded with family, though you are surrounded with people around you, though you are having friends around you, this technical adaptation of your mind has killed them inside you. So you never recognize their presence. So how to overcome this? I was just giving an example, like, you do not, you are suffering from ill health, like stomach pain and all. But the day when you are relieved from the stomach pain, you start appreciating that I am being happy and I am in a state of well-being. So this process of doing a continuous appreciation with what the things you are having and enjoying their presence every moment will actually give you a fresh experience of people with whom you are regularly surrounded with. And even, for example, you are having a material wealth, like for example, an iPhone X or even a BMW car or something else. If you are able to freshen up the experience and feel the presence of these things within you with a bright thought, then what is happening is you are going to enjoy these things as such. But this adaptation process is not able to give you the ultimate joy or the presence of things or people around you. So you need to kill this feeling of mind. This is a negative illness of this mind. So by practicing the appreciation process or by giving a gratitude but to God what you have processing in your life, you can overcome the situation and live your life a fresh version. So this is what I want to convey to you all, and to live a good, peaceful, energetic, and a happy and joyful life. Wishing you all the best. Live joyfully, live energetically, and we will talk about many life videos like this in my coming sessions. This is Umakant Reddy, your life coach and mentor. See you guys.